Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you this beautiful wearable look, my friend, which is a very nice look for you beginners. So my friend, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Tommy D eyebrow pencil number 3 light brown, which is this. And then I have sculpted them up with my Uses liquid concealer in the shade 01 Fair. I have prepared my lid with the same concealer, and I have set up my lid as always with my Kylie Girl 2-color powder cake, my press powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will show you a flawless, full glam, detailed, step-by-step full glam look for you beginners, and I will use my Revolution Reloaded Provocative, and this is my palette, which has very nice pink, brown, light beige colors. This is a very easy look for you, my friends, very wearable and easy to do it, and I will show you how you can do it step by step for you beginners. So, I will take with this fluffy big brush. For the face, I will use this beige color on the whole lid. Very nice nude color on the whole lid. This is one of my favorite looks because I love and the colors, and for this season and for all the seasons, these light brown and light pink nude colors are wearable for all the time of the day and from all of you, my beginners, and it's easy look for you, an easy look for you. And on the other eye, the same light beige. I'm gonna continue with another pink color, with this, a very nice pink color, and I will apply it onto the crease of my lid, from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner and a little upward on the outer part of the lid. Very nice color and very beautiful color. Continue with this color, which is a very nice dark brown, and I will put it only with that flat big brush on the outer corner. I'm gonna do a classic look for you, my friends. It is not a difficult look. It is a classic look with 3 shadows: corner, outer corner, crease and inner lid. For you beginners, I'm showing that on how you can apply the whole shadows. I'm applying it as you see on the outer corner, turn it up a little, the same dark shadow on the inner corner, always tap off before I apply the shadow, the excess of the shadow. I'm taking a fluffy big brush to connect the shadows together, to blend the 2 colors together. And on the inner part of the lid, I want a very flat brush like this is, and I will apply. If you want a matte shadow, apply matte shadow. But to tell you the truth, what I'm gonna do now, I'm applying a shimmery shadow like this is, which is a shimmery pink color, and I will apply it only on the inner lid. In this case, you don't need to cut your crease, it is clear, the part we want. Yes, very beautiful color, shadow, all the makeup look, it is very beautiful. I'm connecting the colors together, and of course, where is, yes, my Face Studio Chrome. I'm gonna take my highlighter by Maybelline, Face Studio Chrome, to apply some under the brow bone area. This is a warm tone look, very beautiful look. This, my friend, you can wear it. Excuse me, I have to drink some coffee. You can wear it and all the day. And with the most of your clothes, I have to say. Going to end up with my other eye area and coming back. Well, my friend, in this look, I have to say I have to wear my liquid Tommy D chocolate brown eyeliner. I will do only a line on the last root. I will not have an outer corner. Yes, I will do only, as you see, one line here on the last root directly before I wear my shadow, my false lashes. And on the other eye. Now I'm going to wear my lashes, which are they? They are 6D false lashes. They are a little and long and a little thicker than the 3D. Going to apply my lash curler as we always do. Before I will apply my black mascara, and then I will wear my false lash. On the false lashes, I have told you many times that I will not apply a mascara because I will ruin them and I will not keep them for many times, the times I want. Going to wear my Vortex mascara, my black mascara, and then I will leave them to dry about 2-3 minutes and I'm gonna apply my false lash off camera. Coming back, friends. My lashes are ready and now moving on to the rest of the face. MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer. We have told many times for you beginners that before we start to do our makeup look, we have first to do the whole skincare we do every day. I'm applying the primer and onto my neck. And before we continue with the rest of the product, I am choosing an oil-free primer, but it is moisturizing for me, that I have a dry skin, combo to dry. If you are a very oily person, choose a primer that it is more mattifying. I'm going to continue with my Golden Rose High Definition 115 Golden Base. I will mix it with my NYX Born to Glow in the shade Buff 10, because I always mix the colors. I will apply them at first with my Kabuki brush, and I will continue with my Wet Beauty blenders. I'm continuing with my Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 08 Buff. As we have told, we apply concealer on the inner part of the eye, on the outer part, not directly on the bottom eye, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, and on the chin area, and 2 lines directly under the contouring area. And of course, applying with the same way the concealer with my beauty blender. The beauty blenders are helping the product to apply more nicely, to blend more nicely than to apply only with your brushes. I start with my brushes to apply my product, but I continue always with my wet beauty blenders, so I can have a more blending nicely area on the face. Continuing with my MUA Espresso Cream Bronzer, which is this. I'm applying this with my Kabuki triangle brush onto the cheeks, onto the forehead, onto the nose, onto the lips, and onto the chin area. And of course, taking the same wet beauty blender to apply the product. Continue with my liquid cream blush in the shade Watermelon, which I'm gonna apply with my beauty blender. Just some dot on the cheekbones. It is a very nice fresh coral color. I'm applying it directly with my beauty blender. If you are a beginner, when you take liquid product, you have first to wear the liquid, the blush, the liquid blush, the bronzer, the cream bronzer, the liquid highlighter if you have. First you apply the liquid product and then you apply over them the powdery product, unless apply only powdered product. I have also a Stellar Mono liquid highlighter, which I'm gonna apply only with my middle finger, and this I'm gonna end up to apply with my beauty blender. It is not necessary to have a liquid highlighter. I insist more on the cream liquid bronzer and the liquid blush. The two of these are the most important. Now I'm taking my banana powder, which I'm gonna apply to set up my under eye area. And of course, with your loose powder, you can set up and the whole face, but on the whole face, of course, you can apply a compact powder. Never apply compact powder on the bottom eye area. On the bottom eye area, only loose, transparent and light powders. So I'm applying. And if you are a very oily person, you can apply and the two powders and you have a better result. Apply first your transparent loose powder and then apply and your compact powder. For me it's enough. I don't need more powder because I'm a combo to dry skin. I'm taking my pressed powder to continue, of course, to set up the whole face. This look is one of my favorites. It is a very nice pink brown look, which I can wear on the whole day. Continue. Wet n Wild Contouring Palette, Caramel Toffee. Over the areas we have applied the liquid products with the same way. On the chin, on the forehead, and of course, I will take an angled brush to contour my nose. What noise is it? I think it's an aeroplane, excuse me for that. Taking my MUA bronzer over the contouring. And it's flying very, very near to the town. I didn't know that, my friend. I'm applying it on the whole neck. Of course, I will continue with a blush which is a coral blush. The coral blush for you beginners is has a highlighter, to a matte blush, but the coral color, it is the most important for you, my friends, and you can wear it, the coral color in every circumstance, in every case. Applying it a little on my nose, on my cheeks. Of course, continuing with my Master Chrome highlighter to apply onto the cheekbones, as I always do, onto the bridge of the nose and one dot on the end of the nose and onto my lips and some on my temple area. Now I have to end up the makeup with to my bottom eye area. So I will have the dark brown color, take off all the excess. I'm applying under this area, the dark brown, and on the other eye, of course. I always take the darkest shadow that I have applied on the outer corner. First I apply that. Then I'm taking the color that I have applied on the crease to smudge this dark color. And then I'm taking the color on the inner lid to apply on the inner part of the eye. And of course, I have to apply my highlighter on the inner part of the eye. The highlighter we want it under the brow bone area and on the inner part of the eye. We have told that. And of course, one coat of black mascara. In this look, you could wear a brown mascara, but it will not be necessary. Over a brown mascara, it is not like a good finish to apply false black lashes. You understand that? If you want to do that look and to apply your brown mascara, it is okay, and leave it like this. Unless if you want to wear false lashes, the false lashes are black, so we want under them a black mascara. And of course, the lips. Gritty lip silky pencil waterproof number 25, a classic mauve purple color for my lips, to apply a very nice lip liner and my lipstick. Baolisi 3D lipstick 10. Classic purple satin. This is a satin lipstick for my lips. And of course, the last step is to apply our fixing spray, Fiore Vita. In this case, I'm applying my Fiore Vita fixing spray. And this is the finished look, my friends. This is a very nice look for you, my friends. You can find the Revolution Reloaded palette, as you see. The Reloaded Provocative. The Reloaded Provocative palette are very nice to use and easy to use for you, my friends, who are beginners. Revolution has very nice products, and the palettes are affordable and very easy to wear and to apply the products. So I recommend you the Reloaded and in general the Revolution palette. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It is an easy look, a beginner's look. I'm showing you all the techniques in all my makeup looks, on my tutorials, of course. And so, if you wanna know how I did that look, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!